Hello students, today we will learn how to make PDF. Suppose you have to make a PDF of 3 or 4 pages collectively in only one PDF. So how to scan your test or exam and create a PDF. So go to Play Store. In Play Store you have to download Simple Scan app. So after downloading this app you will get two buttons, uninstall and open. You have to open this. Then you have to click on the camera button. Now suppose you have to scan these 3 pages, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so take a clear picture of these pages, 1, 2 and 3. So after taking the picture you have to click on this tick button. Now you have to select your page size. Suppose you are selecting this. Now this extra background is coming. So you have to edit it. You have to select only the portion of your page in which your page fits. Okay. Do not take extra page. Okay, then go to next page. You have to adjust this page size. It automatically take the picture of the page only, but even if you want to select something else you can, like I want to select this, so I can take this, but I don't want this, so I will select only this. And if you click on this photo thing you can also make it black and white, gray scale or whatever. Now if I click on photo then my photo is clear, so I can click on the photo. Now then we can move further. Now it is asking me to rename my documents. Now suppose my name is Bharti and I am in grade 6 and this is my English exam. So I will write Bharti grade 6 English. Now tick. Now I have to click on PDF and I can see my PDF, and now I can share it in original size on my WhatsApp. Suppose this is my number and I have to share to Bharti ma'am. So I can send it to Bharti ma'am and it will take some time. So as you can see that there are 3 pages, 3.4 MB, and it is in PDF form. So this is how you have to create a PDF. Now if I open it, I will see it Bharti grade 6 English, and these are the 3 pages I have sent. If I want to zoom in, I can zoom and see. These are pretty clear and I can easily read them. So this is how you can scan your pages. I hope you understood. Bye bye.